I would describe Hayner Hoyt as a family-oriented business, a family culture.
I had a kid 6 months ago and was able to take some time off. I was never given any pressure that I needed to, you can only take a week or you can only take a couple days. It was never along those lines. I was told to take the amount of time that I needed and to just let them know what that time would be. I think a lot of companies might put a lot of pressure, especially on male employees, frankly, that they should be getting back to work as quickly as possible. I didn't feel that pressure or get that messaging at all, so I think that was big.
I have 4 kids and there's baseball. I coach Little League. I've done it for a number of years. The company's definitely receptive of making sure that you have your own personal and your family time available outside of work, and that's definitely the most important thing, I feel.